Hi guys, andito kami sa Gotopia nila Mama Yu. Kasi nga 'di ba walang pasok. So si Summer bored na bored sa life. Try namin ng Gotopia. Say hi. Wow, are you excited? Ano 'yan? Look, oh, they sell a lot of slime. Dito guys, oh, ang daming slime na binebenta. Panalo. What's that? Can you read? Frozen. Frozen lemon. Iced tea. And si Mama yung nagbabayad pa. So yan ang rate nila, $7.99 daw. Parang mas mura ata pag bata. Ewan ko lang. Yes. Uy, you get that? Guys, look, oh, meron silang spot popper. Parang gusto ko to.
Daddy.
Ang galing, parang puputo ko ng pimples. Oh, yes. It's what? That one is, try to read. Carnival.
Slime.
Carnival slime. What's that? What do you think is the smell? Summer, how about this one, oh? Can you read?
I read it not.
Butter.
Bean.
Beer. Butter beer. You click the button. Go. Moink. Nothing. So, update ko kayo, guys, pag nakapasok na kami sa loob. Hi guys, so dito na kami sa loob, medyo maingay. Ayun yung entrance. So yun yung mga malalaro. Yan, slime, hammer run. Pero pinaghuhugas muna sa wash area. Tapos eto, dito yung later, yung babariling ka. So good luck. So mag-wash muna sila ni Mama Yu. So si Mama Yu ang mauuna. Go Mama Yu! Wow! 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 Para sa points! Wow! Good job! Press the button! Summer's turn. Go, Summer! Move! Ay! You continue. You continue. You walk fast, anak. Go! Yon! Competitive. Wala mo kaming kalaban. Sayang yung points. Last one. Yay! Press the button. Yay! Ay, ako na.
Wow! Time recorder! Yay!
Napagod ako doon. First round pa lang.
Go! Up, up! Go, Mami! Okay, winner si Dolly! Okay, dito ka na, baby.
Ayaw niya. It's okay!
Yung magiging score nyo. Kung sino yung pinakamataas sa inyo, siya ang mananalo, okay?
Summer, kayo muna ng dalawa ni Mami.
1, 2, 3, go! Push it! Okay. Mommy got 7 and Summer got 4. Release.
Shit a little harder.
Hands up, hands up. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Push it.
0! Yay! Nalo si Summer! Yes, 0 siya.
Okay.
Natalo pa nga.
Hands up. 1, 2, 3, go. Push it. Okay. Si Mommy got 9 and Summer got 3 points. Okay, bawal na siya puli sila.
Okay, dito naman kami. Kamusta mama yo? Kapagod, no?
Sa race,
Okay lang.
kailangan paunahan tayo makapag-shoot ng ball dito sa 100 para magkaroon kayo ng 20 points. Pag
Oh.
nasa sa ibang butas, automatic ng 10 points na sila. Paano nila mapapag-shoot shot?
Summer, you watch.
Ilay yung street,
You watch.
then you direct it for the most. Gusto niya mahuli, okay?
Be careful, ah. Oh, yan. Ganyan.
The camera first. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, go!
Summer, be careful, ah. Huwag mong i-shoot agad. Oo, no, 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 not there. Okay, go. Up, up, up. Up, ah, up. Wow, slowly. Stop. Ay! 50. Ikaw.
25 lang ako.
Nine, 25.
Nalo si Summer. Okay.
Summer, you're the winner.
The winner.
3 seconds siya si Summer. Ready? Hands up, hands up. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go Summer! Go Summer! Go! Go! Go Summer! Ayan na! Go!
Up.
Down a little bit. A little bit down. Up, 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 pa, up, pa. Yun! Down a little. Ay! Oh, go, go, go Summer! Go Summer! Down a little bit.
Down, down.
Loosen it up a little bit. Yon!
Up, up.
Yes!
Good job.
Kailangan mo natin na ipakasalo ng 2 stick para magkaroon ng 20.
Dalawang stick lang. All you have to do is catch at least two. 2 sticks. Okay, Summer? You watch mommy first. You watch mommy first.
Alam ko talaga may makukuha eh.
Magaling to. Ayun na, Mabeng.
Go, go, go.
Huwag mong pahiya ang UFAM. Diyos ko naman. Go, UFAM! Go, you! Go, UFAM! Feeling ko walang masasambot yan. Pustahan tayo.
Hoy!
Oh, yun na. Okay. Ayun! Ayun, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Sabi ko sa'yo. Walang nasambot. Beng, dalawa na! Ay!
Okay, walang kasalo si Mami.
Sama na lang. Walang nakat si Mami. What can you say? Ha?
Kaya lang eh.
Ano, Summer? Ano? What did you say? I'll show them that I'm strong.
Si Daddy, Daddy or
Daddy!
Ako daw muna po.
Daddy!
Nakita niyo walang nasambot si Mama Yu? Dali, dali.
Baba, baba pa! Oh, galing! Galing! Uy, what? Ay!
Bye!
Wow, galing ah!
Nice one.
I got this!
Yay! Yay!
Go, Summer.
Go, Summer!
Closer, Summer.
Closer!
Yeah! Okay. Okay.
You catch!
Perfect! Perfect zero!
Wow! Perfect zero!
Summer, no!
Bad trip siya. Ang galing mo naman!
It's okay, we're the same.
We're the same kayo ni Mami. Pagod na ako, my God. Ayan, kailangan lang may pinakamadaming masambot na bola. Go, Mama Yu. Summer, look at Mommy. Ganun gagawin, oh. You look at Mommy. You need to catch the ball. Panic siya, eh. Ilang ka?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay! Got it!
Summer, it's your turn. Mommy got it.
Summer!
Oh, natuwa na po siya sa slime. It's your turn. Go, Summer! Go, you, fam! Go, baby, you! Ayan na, Summer! Catch! Yun, yun! Go, Summer! Yun! Good job! Oh, dami ah! Isa pa, isa pa. Go, Summer! Ayan na, sa dulo! Ayan pa, ayan pa! Ay, sa dulo, ay, sa dulo! Ay, ito. Good job! Yay!
Summer, count.
Let's count. You count, Summer. Wow, 11!
Worse than me.
Let's see if I can beat you. Awa! Isang kamay lang. Masyado kayong okay.
Wow, isang kamay. Yun na yun?
Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh,
6,
talo na
7, 8, 9 balls.
Talo ka na naman.
Summer.
Summer, you're the winner. Mom is the loser. Sport ka naman, sport.
Hands up, hands up. Hands up. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Boston.
Wow! Kashoot agad si Summer. Wow! Galing ni Summer. Ano na, Mami? Go, Summer!
Okay.
I don't have. Ikaw na winner.
2 balls. And we got one. Winner, Summer.
You're the winner! Now it's my turn. Nabigyan pa siya ng second chance. It's my turn.
Okay. Hands up, hands up. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Bounce it. Up. Up, yeah. Up, yeah. Okay. Daddy got nothing. And mommy got 1 ball. Okay. Winner si mommy.
Lugi-lugi. Grabe napagod. Grabe napagod ako. Halika na, slime grid na, Summer. Doon tayo sa floor. Ayun yung may floor na lights. Ano, kamusta ka na? Inubo? Ano na? Inubo? Ah. Summer, dito muna tayo. Bilis! Summer, don't step on the red, ha?
Or the pink. Ay, red.
Wala. Ayan, don't step on the red. Sa green ka lang, sa blue.
Blue lang.
Blue!
Sabihin lang yun pa.
Papakita daw ni Summer paano gumawa ng show them, Summer. Show them how you make a bubble. Ayun na, go! Wow! Look! Ay! Again, Summer. Look, Summer! Ay! Again, Summer. Okay mga ka-UFAM, gagawa na kami ng slime. Oh, that's the...
Okay?
Hindi ko... Ayun, nagalit na siya. Hindi ko napakita nung nakagawa siya ng bubble. Look, mga ka-UFAM. Ang galing niya. Look. Ayun na, ayun na. Go! It's a bubble! The bubble expert!
It's far, far in Utopia. It's